Good morning to all. Dear students, today in your 6th standard, chapter number 10, mensuration is there. In the mensuration chapter, we learned about in the previous class the only perimeter of polynomials, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of square as well as triangles and also rectangle, and also the perimeter of regular polygons. Just like studying only concept of perimeter. Today you learn about only in the mensuration chapter only area of rectangle and also square is there. Dear student, in the perimeter you learn about only perimeter. The perimeter means the sum of the all length of the given figure. But area is different. Area is a different formulas are here. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle formula. Therefore, in the given figure rectangle, length into breadth is the formula. Area is length into breadth. Area of square is equal to formula side into side. Side into side means that is a into a or otherwise a square. This one is area of square. This is area of rectangle. In the rectangle, length and breadth is there. Length into breadth. But the rectangle is this like length is there. Therefore, this is a rectangle. Consider ABC is a rectangle. Okay. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. This is length. This is breadth. Opposite sides are equal. This one also length. This also length. This also breadth. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, area is length into breadth. But in the square, therefore, in the square A, B, C is the square. All sides are equal is the A. All sides are equal. Again, A into A is A square. Otherwise, side into side is that is A square. That is area of square. Next, you can take some questions in your formula. Some examples. You can find out the area of rectangle as well as area of square. First one, example number 1. Find. Example number 1. Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are given. Length is 12 cm, breadth is 4 cm respectively. Find the area of rectangle. Solution: area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to, our formula is length into breadth. Length is given, breadth is given. Therefore, length is 12 cm. Breadth is 4 cm. Is equal to 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. Centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Centimeter square. Therefore, area of rectangle is 24 centimeter square. Very easy question is that. Again, in the second example, find the area of square problem. Of the side is 8 meters. This is in the square. Solution. Therefore, area of square is equal to formula. Area of square is equal to side into side. Side into side means that is A into A. A into A means side. Therefore, side is given, that is 8 meter is there. Therefore, 8 meter into 8 meter. Therefore, 8 is 64. 64 m into m means meter into meter square. Therefore, our answer is 64 meter square. Answer is 64 meter square. Okay, next one example, check yourself. Okay, third one is the area of a rectangular piece of cardboard is 36 square centimeter and its length is 9 centimeter. What is the width of the cardboard? Okay, in the question, one rectangular cardboard is there. That area is 36 square centimeter and length is given 9 centimeter. You can find out the width. Therefore, solution. A cardboard is in the shape of rectangular shape. Rectangular shape. The area is 36 centimeters square. Length is 9 centimeters. You can find out weight. Therefore, write the formula. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to only length into breadth. Okay. Next, we can put the value. Area of rectangle is 36 centimeter is equal to length is 9 centimeters. The 9 centimeter into breadth means we don't know. Next, you can find out breadth. You can take 9 in this side. Therefore, 36 centimeters square divides 9 centimeter is equal to breadth. Centimeter 1 centimeter square, 1 centimeter cancel. Next, 9 ones are 9 fours are. Therefore, breadth of the rectangular cardboard is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. In the second question also, in the fourth one, Bob wants to cover the floor of the room. One room is that room is in the rectangular room. In the room is 3 meter wide and 4 meter long. That room by the square tiles. If each square side is 0.5 meter, then find the number of they required to the cover the room to the total squares. Okay. This question is has name is Bob. Bob went to the cover the all classroom. That classroom is like one of the rectangular shape. In the rectangular room, the arrange the square piece of the tiles. All square piece of tiles are there. But each square piece tiles is 0.5 meter is there. But you can find out how many square pieces are required to the given room. Therefore, first of all, you can find out the area of rectangular room and area of square or tiles. Next, you can find out the how many required to the cover. Therefore, first one, area of rectangle. Area of rectangular room. Rectangular room is equal to length into breadth. Length is given 4 meter. Width is given 3 meter. Therefore, 4 meter into 3 meter is equal to 4 meter 12 centimeter square. First one is good. Therefore, area of rectangle is 12 meter square. Next one, area of tiles. Area of tile. Tile means in the shape of square. Square shape is the tiles. Therefore, side into side. A is what? Side into side. But each side has 0.5 is equal to 0.5 and 0.5. Therefore, next multiplication area of square. 0.5 into 0.5 is what? 5 is 25, 2.5 meter. This is 2.5 meter is the meter square is the area of tiles. Therefore, the last is what? Therefore, total tiles. Number of tiles. Number of tiles are required. Required is equal to area of rectangle divides area of square. Therefore, area of rectangle divides area of square. Area square. Okay. 0.5 into 0.5 therefore 25. 5 to 0 into 0.5. The answer is this is 0.25. This is 0.25. 0.25 is the next. You can find out the number of tiles. Therefore, area of rectangle is 12 is the 12 meter square. Divides 0.25 meter square is the meter square cancel. Therefore, 12 divides 0.25 is equal to 0.5 divides 0.25 means 25 divides 100 is the. Therefore, 12 divides 25 divides 100 is equal to 12 into 100 divides 25. 25 ones are 25 fours are, therefore for 28 times are here. The answer is therefore 48 times. 48 times are here. Okay, these five questions are here. Next one question. Last question, fifth one. Split the following shapes into the rectangular, otherwise square. Find the area. First figure, second figure, third figure. Find out the area. Okay, you can find out the area. Solution in the given figure. You can split the following figure. You can rearrange the figure. You can take one diagram. This one. First diagram, second diagram. These two diagrams are in the rectangle. This is also rectangle. This is also rectangle. Therefore, area of figure 1. Figure 1 is equal to area 1 plus area 2. Area 1 is what? L1 into L2. Same. The area 1 is rectangle. Area 2 also rectangle. Therefore, L1 into B1 plus L2 into B2. Therefore, in the figure 1, length is 10. 10 can take measure or centimeter, no problem. 10 into B1 is 2 is there. Only 2 plus in the rectangle 2. Again, this is volume is the once again check once again. In the second figure, here is the this is 10 is the again length is 10, breadth is 2. Therefore, 10 2s are 20 plus 10 2s are 20. Therefore, total is 40 centimeter square, otherwise meter square. Right from first here is 40 meter square. 40 meter square. Otherwise, this one also you can consider 12 2s are 24. Next, 8 2s are 60. Again 40 is there. In the second figure also, therefore, in the second one, the all squares are here. Rearrange the squares. Therefore, you can write this like squares. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. All our squares are here. 7, 7, 7, 7. This one also 7. This one also 7. 7, 7 is the. Therefore, solution. Area of figure 2. Figure 2 is equal to area 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. In the given figure, all 5 area is equal. Squares are here. Therefore, 5 into a square. 5 into a square means 5 diagrams are here. Side means 7 is the. Therefore, 7 into 7. Therefore, 5 into 7 square means 49. Therefore, 49 into 5 means multiplication. 49 into 5, 45. 5 fours are 20, 20 and 24. Therefore, answer is 245 meters square is the second figure. 245. In the next third one, again find out the area of the given figure. Again, rearrangement of the given figure is draw this line. Diagram 1 and diagram 2. Therefore, solution area of the given area of figure 3 is equal to area of 1 plus area 2. Area 1 is also rectangle. Area 2 is also rectangle. Therefore, L1 into B1 plus L2 into B2. Therefore, L1 is what? In the first figure, L1 is 5 is the 5 into B1 means only 1 is the 1 plus L2 in the given figure 4 is the L2 is 4, B1 is 1. Therefore, 5 plus 4 is 9 meters square. The area of third figure is 9 meters square. Okay, dear student, you can practice practice more examples in the given figures. Find out the area of the given figures. Okay, I shall continue next class.